During installation, make sure to follow local safety guidelines and direction per the engineer of record. To establish vegetation on the face of the units, fill the pocket between the HPTRM and the cell with a mixture of seed and topsoil. Ensure that each unit is completely full, placing a minimum of 1 inch of this mixture on the top of the filled unit. Pull the remaining portion of the HPTRM tightly across the top of the filled unit. Using stainless steel hog rings, fasten the top cover to the back of the unit walls and intermediate walls. If Scourlok is being transitioned to another system, like Armor Max or Pyramat, soil pins can also be used to secure the top cover. Excess HPTRM can be turned down along the back side of the unit prior to placing fill behind it. In addition to adding seed to the front pocket, vegetation can be established by hydroseeding the outside of the Scourlok units or planting vegetation or live stakes directly into the completed units. Vegetation application rate and type and irrigation rate should follow the landscape designer's recommendations based on local or site-specific knowledge and time of year. For best results, consider having a site-specific soil test performed to help determine what soil amendments need to be incorporated into the soil to promote healthy vegetation. Irrigate as necessary to establish and maintain vegetation. Frequent light irrigation may be needed if natural rain events have not occurred.